Presenting the officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Adrian Tabanyag, International Referee. Second referee, Mr. Rolando Casillan, National Referee. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the starting lineup for the Philippine Army Lady Troopers. At number 12, Maria Ers Iratay. Number 5, Mary Jean Balse. At number 8, the Bionic Ilongga, Jovelyn Gonzaga. At number 14, Nene Bautista. Wearing jersey number 9, Michelle Carolino. And number 3, Captain Joan Bunag. Their libero, number 3, Jaja Torres. Head coach, Mr. Rico De Guzman. And now, give it up for the starting lineup for the Cagayan Valley Lady Rising Suns. At number 15, Wenneth Eulalio. Number 11, guest player, Pomia Soraya. At number 9, guest player, Kanika Tipachot. Number 8, Aiza Maizo. Wearing jersey number 4, Pau Soriano. And number 2, Captain Angge Tabaquero. Their libero, number 3, Angelique Jonella. Head coach, Mr. Nes Pamilar.
At dito po tayo ngayon sa San Juan Arena, San Juan City. Namimigay na po ng volleyball dito po sa ating venue. At ito nga, nabanggit namin ni rin kanina, maghihiwalay na po ng landas. Itong magkabilang kupunan, Philippine Army at 3-0. Itong Cagayan Valley at 5-0. Again, no Tina Salak if you're just joining us para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. But Rachel Andakis is back. Whether she plays or not is going to be the question.
Yeah, that's right. And we were talking about, because she has been gone, sobrang tagal. So,
from the end of
maglalaro ba
June
siya?
until...
Wow!
Tagal. Ito yung longest niya talaga na pahinga. Ging Balse, former league MVP on your screen. There's MVP candidate, Kanika Tipachot. Jovelyn Gonzaga also an MVP candidate. We are stacked with talent po dito sa pagsisimula. As Wenneth Eulalio, mintis ka agad yung kanyang running attack. Unang puntos, mapupunta po dito sa Philippine Army.
That's right. And alam natin, mahaba tong game na to.
Yan ang of course, ina-expect ng mga fans dito. Ang katanungan dito, paano itong kupunan ng Lady Troopers sa pagawala dito nitong si Tina Salak at si Kanika Tipachot. Bumomba ka agad.
That's right. Yung sinasabi mo earlier, yung connection nila, mahirap talaga piliin.
Si Pomla Soraya, 5 ace po ang pinakawalan niya kontra sa FEU en route to 9 points. Yan yung kanyang jump flow. Naging jump serve na. Iratay on the quick set. Balse, kinaliwa. Tipachot, tira kaagad. Ersi Ratay. Michelle Carolino. Lampas ang kanyang tira.
That's right. Yung case na masyadong eager siya pumalo at that time.
Para if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. 2-1 ang ating score. Laman po ang Cagayan Valley ng isa. Tandaan po natin itong kupunan ng Philippine Army, hindi pa po namimigay ng kahit na isang set sa kahit sino nakalaban na nila. Iratay. Overreaching ay tatawag dito kay Ersi Iratay. Backliner ba siya?
Yes.
Backliner.
Pero ito yung sinasabi, yung service ni Soraya.
Right. So 3-1 ngayon para sa Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Pomla Soraya. Nice serve once again. Regalo para kay Eulalio.
So itong Army ngayon, nahihirapan ngayon sa service ni Soraya.
Talagang si Soraya, ang ganda ng pinakita niya, especially against FEU sa kanyang service game. Easy pickings para dito kay Wenneth Eulalio. Nakasama rin sa ating 17-member national team as of now. 17 pa rin sila. Jovelyn Gonzaga, finally, nakakuha na rin ng bola. Soraya to Tipachot off the block. Ersi Ratay ngayon on the back set. Jovelyn Gonzaga!
Yes. Ito ang labanan ng utility spikers as well, no? Maizo and Gonzaga.
Two of the best in the country right now. With all due respect to my partner, Michelle Gumabaw. Itong dalawang kaliwete ang magbobombahan ngayon dito. Ging Balse. Nice reception there by our former teammate, Angueta Baquero. Here's Tipachot. And Gonzaga, hindi na ibuhay yun. 5-2 Cagayan Valley. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down.
Wow, itong si Tipachot working hard early on dito sa game.
Very prolific, of course, to si Kanika Tipachot. Already had a 20-plus point game dito sa kanyang stint sa Shakey's V-League. Ang kanyang unang stint sa Shakey's V-League. And Shasha Torres, mukhang palabas na yun para kay Shasha eh.
That's right.
Pero kinuha pa rin, ang tandaan din natin, Shasha Torres is nursing a knee injury. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Wala rin din sa Army, by the way, si Jack Alarca, who is also nursing a knee injury. So not playing, ang daming kulang na pyesa rito para sa Philippine Army. Pero sabi ni Michelle Carolino, kung nahawakan lang sana yung bola, punto sana yun. At now, 7-2. Daming errors ng Army at the onset, ha?
That's right. And, you know, it's not a good sign pag ang team mo laging humihingi ng check ball eh.
Oo. So now, 7-2, Eulalio. Ay! Pati yung serve ni Eulalio, hindi makontain ni Nene Bautista. 8-2, Rising Suns. Magandang panimula.